Hi, good evening. My name is Muhammad Izzat bin Muhammad Ikram, and I will talk about my FRP research, which is the viability characterization of diatomaceous earth, or known as DE, as biofilm carriers in attached gross water treatment process. So, what is the attached gross process? So, for the attached process, I chosen trickle filter as an example. So, it is mainly used as a secondary treatment process, which consists of microorganisms to digest the organic waste inside the wastewater that contains sugar, fats, and human waste. So, what include in trickle filter is that there is a media provided for the microorganism to attach and grow in order to digest the organic waste. So what is the media I'm talking about? The media I'm talking about is biofilm carriers. So here is example picture of a biofilm carriers, and below is the picture of the microorganism attachment process, which includes the attachment phase, the growth phase, and the dispersal phase. So what makes the good carriers? So the properties of a good carrier is that the density of the carrier must be lower than that of water, which is around 0.98 kg per liter, so that the carrier can suspend in water uh, instead of rising to surface or sink in the bottom. And the carrier must also have a large and rough surface area, so that the large amount of microorganism can be attached to the media. And the carrier must also have inner porosity to provide growth for slow growing microorganisms and protect microorganisms from toxicity. And the carriers must also have high adsorption capacity to ensure higher removal of pollutants to provide better quality of water. So for the product statements, so the mostly used biofilm carrier in the attached water treatment plants are usually made of plastics such as polyethylene and polypropylene. So usually the use of plastics provides low porosity for bacterial growth and attachment, and the smooth surface of plastic can easily cause detachment of microorganisms, which can result in the decreased efficiency of pollutant removal. And the use of plastics can also cause harm to the environment and people when the carriers are thrown away for replacement. And plastics such as polypropylene usually made from propane, which is a natural gas, and it is a non-renewable energy. So, what comes to conclusion is that we can substitute the plastics with a natural biofilm carrier, which is hydrogen is diatomaceous earth. So what is a diatomaceous? It is composed of fossil remains of small aquatic organisms known as diatoms, and the skeletons are made out of natural silica. And DE has tiny spores which consist of microscopic openings and has a rough surface, as you can see in the picture at the bottom left. And DE is used to replace the traditional biofilm carriers made of plastics, and the use of DE makes the attached growth water treatment plants more environmental friendly, as it is easy to decompose and degrade. DE also has been used by some water filtration processes, as it has high porosity and large surface area of this provides high efficiency for bacterial attachment. So for the characterization of DE, I will be using 3 different types of DE for characterization process, and the DEs will be analyzed using the Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy, and from that it is to determine which type of DE is the most suitable to use as biofilm carrier in the attached gross water treatment process in terms of porosity, surface area, and etc. So this is all from me. Thank you.